Hey guys, it's Jesus again. So today we're gonna cover how to match a user to a different user depending on two attributes or two variables, right? So in this case, the user signs in and they choose their category, right? So I am a beginner runner and I'm looking for let's say support of runners or a jogger. These three fields actually are required in this case. So, of course, if we go to our data, to our user profiles, I have my user type. I'm a beginner runner, and I'm looking either for a jogger or user's desired match for a beginner runner, right? Actually, right now I'm logged in as Nina Miles. So Nina Miles is over here. She is a beginner runner and she's looking for a support of runners and a jogger, right? So there are two matches. So I'm done with my user profile. Then I have a members tab. Of course, this again is looking to the user profiles tab. Right now on features, I don't have any filters. So I'm seeing everybody. Now I want to add a couple of filters so that I'll only be matched with users that are either support of runners or joggers, right? So I'm gonna go here, I'm on my layout, I go to features, I'm gonna add a filter. So the first filter will be when the user, so in this case, think about the filter at the attributes of these guys here, right? So the first filter will be when these guys user type is, then you click the three dots, go all the way down. So now I'm in my user, and in my user I can select my desired match, right? So there aren't, and then I can add a second one. So we have and, because we have two conditions, we want, or we can say or. If we want the users, in this case it'll be or because each user only has one user type, right? Or the user type is the user desired match too, right? So I am a beginner runner and I'm looking either for supporter of runners or joggers. In this case, if we go to our data, if we go to our user type, as you can see, there are no supporter of runners. There are only joggers and beginner runners. And that's why here I have these two filters. So remember, this is important. So my user type, actually their user type, and my desires. So when we have this little figure of a person, is when this is from your user profile. And in this case, this filter is theirs. So you can have as multiple filters as attributes you want. I hope this makes sense. Otherwise, let me know. Have a good one.